In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a balance sheet in Xero. For those new to Xero, it's a powerful accounting software designed to make managing your finances straightforward, whether you're a small business owner or an accountant managing multiple clients. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the steps needed to generate a detailed balance sheet. Let's start by logging into your Xero account. You should be greeted with your dashboard, which is your home base for all things accounting within the platform. From here, your first move will be to navigate to the top menu bar and click on Accounting. This action will bring a drop-down menu which gives you access to various financial tools within Xero. Among those options, you'll find Reports, which is the next stop in our journey. Once in the Reports section, you'll find a variety of reporting options. Here, you'll want to look under Financial Statements and locate Balance Sheet. Clicking on this will take you to the starting point for creating your balance sheet. Now, it's time to specify the as at date. This date essentially determines the snapshot in time you want for your balance sheet, such as the end of the fiscal year, like December 31st, 2025. You'll see how this provides insight into the financial status of your business at that specific moment. If you're interested in seeing how your business's finances stack up against another time period, Xero offers a handy feature for that. You might want to click Compare with another period to display comparisons. This can be advantageous for understanding trends or changes in your financial landscape over time. Before we generate our full report, let's make sure everything is set as we like. With everything in place, you're ready to click Update. Xero will now compile all the information and produce a neatly formatted balance sheet for you to analyze. Lastly, it's important to review the details properly. Take a thorough look at the assets, liabilities, and equity sections. Each part of this report provides key insights into different aspects of your business's financial situation. The assets section details the resources owned by your company, while liabilities cover what your company owes. Finally, the equity section provides a sense of your business's net worth, highlighting the residual interest in the assets after liabilities are accounted for. And there you have it. With these steps, you've generated a detailed balance sheet, empowering you with financial insights to make informed decisions. Remember, a carefully maintained balance sheet is crucial to understanding and communicating your business's health. Whether it's for internal review or presenting to stakeholders, using Xero's tools effectively can make all the difference. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tutorials on maximizing your productivity in Xero and beyond.